Hey there, my awesome peeps. It's your favorite money-savvy gal, Green Waifu, back with some financial wisdom to help you conquer any challenge that comes your way. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of preparing for a recession. Don't worry, I've got your back with some practical tips and a positive attitude to weather any economic storm. Now, before we jump in, let's take a moment to understand what a recession is. In simple terms, a recession is a period of economic decline, where there's a slowdown in economic activity. Picture it like a roller coaster. The economy is on a downward slope, and it affects businesses, jobs, and overall growth. It's like the world hitting a pause button on the money train. During a recession, things can get a bit rocky. Businesses may face financial challenges, leading to layoffs and job losses. The stock market might take a dip, and people might feel uncertain about their financial future. It can be a tough time for everyone, causing stress and anxiety. But hey, I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to empower you to tackle this challenge head-on. Now, you might be wondering, Green Waifu, how can we possibly emerge stronger from a recession? Well, the answer lies in preparation and mindset. You see, being prepared is like having a secret weapon. It's about making smart financial moves and having a solid plan to navigate the rough waters. Imagine you're sailing a ship and you know a storm is coming. What do? You batten down the hatches, secure everything in place, and ensure your ship is ready to weather the storm. It's the same with your finances. When you're prepared for a recession, you can face it with confidence and resilience. Now, let's talk about some practical examples of how to prepare for a recession. 1. Building an emergency fund. Think of your emergency fund as your financial safety net. It's like having a cushion to fall back on when things get tough. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. It might sound challenging, especially when you're young and starting out. But start small and be consistent. Even saving a little each month can make a big difference in the long run. Emergencies can happen to anyone, regardless of age or financial situation. Having an emergency fund ensures that you have money set aside to cover unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or sudden job loss. It provides peace of mind, knowing that you have a safety net to fall back on during challenging times. 2. Evaluating and reducing debt. Debt can feel like a heavy burden during a recession. Take a look at your debts and make a plan to pay them off systematically. Start with high-interest debts and work your way down. Reducing debt not only relieves financial stress, but also frees up more cash for savings and investments. During a recession, job security may be uncertain, and it's essential to reduce financial obligations. High-interest debts, such as credit card debt, can quickly accumulate and become unmanageable. By creating a debt repayment plan and prioritizing high-interest debts, you can work towards becoming debt-free and ease financial pressure during challenging times. 3. Diversifying your income. Having multiple streams of income is like having different tools in your financial toolbox. Explore side hustles or part-time gigs that align with your skills and passions. Diversifying your income sources can provide stability during uncertain times. Having multiple sources of income can help mitigate the impact of a recession on your finances. While your primary job may provide steady income, having additional income streams, such as freelance work, rental properties, or investments, can provide a financial buffer during economic downturns. It's essential to explore opportunities that align with your strengths and interests. 4. Boosting your skills and knowledge. Knowledge is power. Invest in yourself by enhancing your skills and knowledge. Take courses, attend workshops, or read books related to your field or areas of interest. Being adaptable and skilled can give you a competitive edge in the job market. During a recession, the job market may become more competitive as companies tighten their budgets. By investing in your skills and knowledge, you can position yourself as a valuable asset to employers. Continuous learning and staying up to date with industry trends can help you remain relevant and open up new opportunities for career growth. 5. Reevaluating your budget. Budgeting is like a treasure map to financial success. Review your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Focus on essential needs and prioritize saving and investing. Being mindful of your spending can help you weather the recession storm. During a recession, it's essential to reevaluate your budget and focus on essential expenses. Consider cutting back on non-essential items and discretionary spending to increase your savings rate. Creating a budget can also help you set clear financial goals and prioritize saving for the future. 6. Strengthening your support network. Friends and family are the ultimate cheerleaders. Build a strong support network of like-minded individuals who can offer guidance and encouragement during tough times. Surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people can boost your resilience. A strong support network can provide emotional support and encouragement during challenging times. It's essential to lean on friends, family, or mentors who can offer guidance and advice during a recession. Sharing experiences and perspectives with others can help you navigate financial challenges and provide a sense of community. 7. Staying positive and flexible. A positive mindset can work wonders. Be open to change and embrace flexibility. During a recession, some opportunities may arise in unexpected places. Stay optimistic and be ready to adapt to new situations. Maintaining a positive mindset is crucial during a recession. It's normal to feel anxious or stressed during uncertain times, but staying positive can help you navigate challenges more effectively. Being flexible and open to new opportunities can lead to personal and professional growth, even in challenging economic conditions. 8. Investing wisely. Time to become an investment ninja. Diversify your investment portfolio to spread the risk. While investments carry some level of risk, they can also provide great returns over the long term. Consulting with a financial advisor can help you make informed investment decisions. During a recession, it's essential to approach investments with caution and diversify your portfolio. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This strategy can help reduce risk and potentially increase returns over time. 9. Reviewing your insurance coverage. Protect yourself from financial curveballs with proper insurance coverage. Health, auto, and home insurance can provide much-needed security during challenging times. Knowing you have a safety net can bring peace of mind during a recession. Having adequate insurance coverage is essential to protect yourself and your assets during a recession. Health insurance can cover medical expenses, while auto and home insurance can protect against unexpected accidents or damage. Insurance provides a financial safety net and ensures that you're prepared for unforeseen circumstances. 10. Planning for the long term. Remember, a recession is just a blip on your journey to financial success. Keep your long-term goals in mind and stay committed to your financial plan. Having a clear vision of where you want to go can keep you on track, no matter the economic climate. During a recession, it's easy to focus on short-term challenges and lose sight of long-term goals. However, staying focused on your long-term financial objectives can help you stay motivated and committed to your financial plan. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business, having a clear vision of your goals can keep you on the path to financial success. So, being prepared for a recession is not about being scared. It's about being smart and proactive. Remember, it's the actions you take today that can shape your financial future tomorrow. A recession is a temporary phase, and it will pass. With preparation and a positive attitude, you can not only survive, but thrive. So stay informed, stay motivated, and stay fabulous. If you found these recession prep tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more financial wisdom. And leave a comment below to share your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, stay prepared and stay awesome.